Hi students, now we will see how to join into Google Classroom. First I'll show the basic instructions. See here, every student should log on to your Gmail account by using the school email ID. School email ID will be like admission number at the rate amspops.org. Admission number, for example, if your admission number is 150134, so then your email ID will be 150134 at the rate amsporps.org. So first open gmail.com and enter your school email ID and then enter the password. By default we are giving the password as amspops. Immediately you can change your password and remember that password for attending the online sessions. So this is how to log on to your Gmail account. After logging to your Gmail account, then you can see in your inbox a invitation from the online trainings or online monitor. So just you can click on that mail and click on join or accept the request, so that you are joining into your Google Classroom. Otherwise you can open Google Classroom by clicking on the Google Apps button. On the top right side you can see Google Apps buttons. Scroll down and click on Classroom, where you can find your respective class. So click on join. So two methods are there. One is you will get a mail to your inbox, just you can click on accept request. Otherwise go to Google Apps buttons, click on Google Apps buttons and open Google Classroom, and you can see your class. Click on join, so that you are joining into your Google Classroom. You can see your respective class. Okay, next, after that you can see stream will be there, class will be there, and classwork and people 3 are there. So under stream a teacher will post a link. You need to click on that link and join the meeting, Google meeting. So now we will see this process, children. Remember that students are allowed to join into Google Classrooms only with their school email IDs. For example, if you are giving your personal email IDs, then you will not be log on, you will not be accepted to your Google Classroom. So teachers will not accept any request from their personal email IDs. So that's why all the students are requested to join to your Google Classroom by using the school email ID. So suppose if anyone is using mobiles, just download first, add your Gmail account in your mobiles, then download Google Classroom and Google Meet in both iOS and Android mobiles, children. So now we will see the same process, and here we are giving a small link for all the resources which are available in our school website. Okay, now we will see the process. So first I am opening the Gmail account. Enter gmail.com, click on sign in, enter the username, enter the password, so you can see here online trainings invitation is there. So you will get an invitation from online trainings or online monitor, anything. So just click on this invitation. So when you click on that invitation, it will show you Google Classroom and student name will be there, and this invitation you are getting from online trainings at amspops.org, and you'll have a join button here. So just click on join button, so that you will be automatically joined your Google Classroom. So this is one method. Otherwise, for example, if you don't find your email in your inbox, then what you can do is you can click on Google Apps buttons and scroll down where you can see Google Classroom. So click on this Classroom. So when you click on Classroom, it will open classroom.google.com. So in that classroom.google.com, you can see your class name, class 3rd G, and here two requests are there, decline and join. Suppose if you click on decline, then you are not joining into your Google Classroom, so you need to click on join. So once you click on join, then only you can access your Google Classroom. For example, in these two methods, if you are not able to find your respective classes are not able, you can't see any class there, then immediately you can contact your class teacher. So that class teacher will inform the respective technical teachers, and they will add the student name, children. Okay. So now you can see here, once I click on join, you can see stream, classwork and people, three things will be there. Stream is nothing but for basic communication we can use, and every day teachers will post the class link in the stream. So you can see here, this is the meeting link which is shared by the teacher today at 7:33. Okay. And in classwork, any assignments are there, you can see, and in people you can see who are the teachers or any other students are there in this particular class. So after seeing this under stream, you can see the link. So click on that link. So when you click on that link, children, you can see here, it will show you the video and audio by default enabled. If the red cross button is there, means it is disabled. So it depends upon your requirement. So but just enable your audio and video. Okay. But once the session is going on, just mute your mics, children. Okay. So and click on join now. So once you click on join now, then you'll get you are joining into your Google Meet, and you can see here participants. What are the participants are there here? And next, this is enabling and disabling mic, children, and this is leaving from your meeting, and this is enabling and disabling your video. And you can see your these are the basic options. Chat option will be there here. You can chat with your students and teachers here. This is the chat option. Okay. So this is how to join into your Google Classroom. Okay. Thank you, children.